Hey, what's up everybody? It's Mike here at Find Your Cards. How you doing this evening? Just dug myself out of about 60 centimeters, 22 inches or so of snow. It was ridiculous out here, man. Fortunately, I had a couple people came over the blower, so a little easier. So it's good night to bust in some boxes. 4 boxes of limited. Alright, we're going to get the eBay current time up here before we get started. Do a little refresh here. 21:22:49 Eastern Standard Time. Alright, also you can check out tomorrow night. I got a case of titanium and a box of certified going on. As if with all of my case breaks, I end up giving away a hobby box with every case break, so no different tomorrow night than any other night, so be sure to check that out. Alright, so 4 boxes, 1 pack per box. I'm going to open all 4 boxes up, pull the packs out, and then we'll do one after another. Great to have you guys along. Appreciate it. Also, if you want to check out the hits from our mixer there the other night, you can check them out. We had a tag. We had a sweet Oli Mata rookie pull. We had a 1-of-1 Mike Fisher in Panini Prime. It was a fun night of breaks. A bit of a one-of-one roll. Cody Hodgson just a little bit ago here, base at a limited. Of course, the big one we had out here was Evander Kane, now the Buffalo Sabres. All the trade rumors flying now. Of course, my Leafs. The big ones with all the player movement. Alright, there we go. Number 1. Alright, limited captains. Sean Horkoff. That trade was actually a very good trade, personal opinion. Good to get anything in return. Had to go send them anyways. Henrik Zetterberg base. We got a jumbo patch, 40/49 for the St. Louis Blues. This is a nice one. Jaden Schwartz. I like the trade for both teams. I think just getting draft pick in this year's draft is a good thing. Plus they're unrestricted free agents, so. Limited rookie redemption, Anaheim Ducks. And Ducks it is. We got jumbo materials out of 99. Penguins there. Ronnie Francis. Deer value collector. We got another one of the Mike Conleys. And it's another Jaden Schwartz. We got the duels, Jaden Schwartz. What's up, Grandma? How's it going, bud? We got, out of 25, John Tavares. I'm doing very well. Just shoved myself out. Chris Neal base. Big old wintertime going on the East Coast here. Craig Anderson base. And we carry on with our for Phil again. Brandon Manning. I think this is number 4 or 5. For Bruce, Bruce, another Brandon Manning. Just sent one out for you today. We got for the Canucks, Corey Schneider, and that's out of 49, I believe that was, yeah, out of 49. Limited jersey, Flames, Curtis Glencross. Back to the Future, Andrew Shaw, Jeremy Roenick. So Al, you must be frozen in then down your way. It was all about the ice that way. Yes. Base Pietrangelo. It's Pietrangelo. We got Flames, Sharks, net assets, Couture, Iginla. Logan Couture, Jerome Iginla. Yeah, crazy ice down your way, eh? Everybody all frozen in. Random off that at the end. We got Limited Rookie Redemption, Predators. For the Wild, we got Christopher Foucault. Woo! Sweet one coming up here in a minute now. 14 out of 25. Back to the Future. We got... Do I want to start with the weaker one? Now I'll start with the big guy. Nicholas Lidstrom. Brendan Smith. Back to the Future Red Wings. Big old Nick Lidstrom. Nice. Trophy winners, Bruins, Ray Bork. And board members, Dion Phaneuf. Alright, wrapping up with the last one here. We got Kings and Penguins pulling out here now. Both hoping for, eh? Two of you hoping for? See what we got. Stephen Weiss at a 49. Joffrey Lupul. We got Limited Travels. Avs, Joe Sakic. Limited Rookie, Montreal Canadiens. Limited Rookie Redemption. We got Jumbo Materials for the Oilers, Jordan Eberle at 99. A Value Collector, Phenoms, Akeem Aliu. Oh, I do horrible with that. Flames, of course. And finally, to wrap it up, for the Bruins, board members, Milan Lucic. So, of course, the big one will be tonight was Lidstrom. Was the big one. Corey Schneider, next one. Sorry there, Chris and Al. Didn't get anything big for you guys there tonight. We will do the random here now. We got Flames, Sharks. It is all in bunches, man. Crazy part there for the NT, it wasn't until you got the Milt Schmidt you didn't have anything other than, thankfully, the Enforcers box, eh? So there the other night for my case break, and to give me a box of, hey, how's it going, Rain Spider? We'll do that random for the Sharks Flames here now. List randomizer. Sharks Flames. Let's get this random off. 3 times. Team on top, it's yours. 1, 2, and we got 3 going to the Sharks. That's the first Back to the Future auto I've got there so far. Sweet to get one of those in. Yeah, what did you think of the break overall? Just got off work and got home. Rain Spider, who did you have, bud? You like the break there, Al, on Friday? I think it was a good break overall. Enjoyed it. Wasn't much until the last part. Yeah, the very last box, I know. At least it was a Milt Schmidt. Nice one up that way. Yeah, for sure. Always good to come pop by. Tomorrow night we got... I got, some boxes certified and a case of titanium finishing up tomorrow night. Yeah, I really liked it, man. It was good to do all the different products from that year. Like I say, I actually enjoyed it. Really enjoyed that break. Had some nice hits. It was crazy. It was so calm until all of a sudden we hit nasty right at the end. Dominion was really sweet, and Prime did well. Matt there, Matt works for me, that had the Preds. Get rid of my daughter's hair tie there. It looks like iron break for me. Of course. So that's the one we're going to be doing tomorrow night. Yeah, man. Yeah, Matt works in my shop, so he had a wicked one. Take all those in for him. They had a really good night. The Oilers had a pretty... Pens had a pretty good night. Devils had tons of hits. And he's a big Seth Jones fan too, so he was pretty happy. He felt like he scored there with them. Of course, guys, any of you, if we end up moving any of the other stuff, Crown and all that, if it ends up filling up, I'll break it earlier too. Yes, have a good one. Oh, I got 13-14 Prime coming in there too, Al. And I'm likely going to be ordering some 12-13 there coming up too. So thinking about doing some sort of mix with Prime and a couple other things. Got a couple ideas there. Oh, and also Jenny's probably going to be coming down your way in the next few weeks there. I'm sure you will be, Al. Sounds good. Let's see what we got here. Have yourself a good one there, Al. And thanks everybody else too. Appreciate you coming along. Hey, have a good one there, Chris. We'll see you again soon. Next time I'll get you something big. Hey, this case actually I got on eBay now. Yeah, there is. Yeah, next time I think I owe you a Malkin or Crosby or something like that. Yeah, Grant, I got it up on breaks tonight. I don't know, not unless I get a bunch of my stuff moving. I definitely, if I could move the Crown, I'd move it, but I don't know if we're gonna get enough going. I would love to bust it, but. Yeah, I end up finding that so far enough, I just don't get enough people moving, buying right away on the breaks right away on here. I'm going to be on, starting the spring, I'll be on a lot more and a lot longer, and I think therefore I'll be able to get some more sales that way, or at that point, but until then, some of the cases I can end up getting